Welcome to this video, where we'll be exploring NeverBounce, a powerful email verification platform that helps businesses clean up their email lists and improve email deliverability. Whether you're sending marketing emails or handling important client communications, maintaining a clean list is crucial for ensuring your messages reach their intended recipients. NeverBounce works by validating email addresses to identify invalid, disposable, or outdated contacts. This service helps reduce bounce rates, which can harm your sender reputation and email marketing effectiveness. By cleaning your email list, you'll also save time and resources, ensuring you're targeting only the right contacts. One of the main advantages of NeverBounce is its accuracy. The platform provides real-time email verification with a high level of precision, which makes it one of the top tools in the industry. It offers both bulk email list cleaning and real-time API verification, making it flexible for both small businesses and large enterprises. Another feature is the easy-to-use dashboard, where you can quickly upload your email lists and get results in minutes. NeverBounce also integrates seamlessly with popular email marketing platforms, which makes it convenient for marketers to directly clean their email lists without leading their workflow. However, like any tool, NeverBounce does have some limitations. While it offers a lot of features, it might be overkill for smaller users who don't require large-scale email list verification. The cost of the service can also add up depending on the volume of email addresses you need to verify. Additionally, users might experience some delays if their lists are very large. The pricing model for NeverBounce is pay-as-you-go, and you can choose between credits based on how many emails you need to validate. There are also subscription options for businesses with ongoing needs. While the pricing might seem high for some, it offers significant value when considering the impact that email list cleaning can have on your deliverability and campaign success. If you're also looking for an effective email management solution to stay on top of your inbox, check out Clean Email. It's another fantastic service to help you declutter your email and manage your inbox efficiently. Follow the link in the description for the best email manager. To wrap up, NeverBounce is a top-tier email verification service for businesses and email marketers who need accurate, efficient list cleaning. If you're serious about improving your email marketing performance, this tool can help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content on email tools and marketing strategies.